Jesse James was a lad who killed many a man. He robbed the Glendale train. He robbed from the rich and he gave to the poor. He had a hand and a heart and a brain. Well, now poor Jesse had a wife to mourn for his life. The children, they were so brave, but that dirty little coward who shot Mr. Howard has laid Jesse James in his grave. It was on a Wednesday night when the moon was shining bright. They robbed the Glendale train, and the folks from miles about, they all said without a doubt that it was robbed by Frank and Jesse James.